Now what I'm going to teach is actually just touching your dog's paw, and it's only for a nanosecond. We're not holding it. We're just going to go ahead and we're going to touch it. It's going to look just like this. So she kind of pulled her paw away from me. You can tell she's not too sure about this. If she moves her paw, I don't click. Good. Good. If you watch, the slower I move, easier it is for her. Goodness. I don't know what she's trying to touch with that mouth. Now you want to alternate for the backs. Good girl. I'm kind of shocked. That's not the behavior I want. That's the behavior I want. All right. Use 5 treats. I went a little further than 5 treats, but I like to say 5 treats and you're done.